side of the gravel path going around and then coming around here. So we're gonna put some raised beds in here.
Nice. And we have a lot of ideas for some ways to improve this area, which is an upcoming project for us.
Hey everybody, Sean and Allison here from Spoken Garden. Today, we're gonna be outside weeding our side garden.
Yeah, it's a little cold and kind of rainy out here, but this is almost perfect, right, for weeding. So we'll show you what we're gonna do and what our plan is. But before we get to that, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below so you don't miss out on every daily video. So here's our side garden. Some of you that have been following along for a while, you know that we've showed you this part of our yard before, but here's the deal. We got very busy last year, as probably everybody did, and we kind of forgot about this. So
Yep, just out of sight, out of mind, literally out of sight.
Literally.
It's on the other side of the house.
but it's such a great space, and we have a lot of ideas for some ways to improve this area, which is an upcoming project for us.
So yeah, so we're gonna redo this whole area, and part of the plan, the ongoing plan right now, is to put raised beds in all of these areas on the side of the gravel path going around and then coming around here. So we're gonna put some raised beds in here. We can do a lot of different things with those raised beds, include update the soil, and we can put a different kind of irrigation system in here too if we want to.
That'd be awesome.
Yeah, and or keep these drip lines, whatever we come up with. But it'll just look a lot better and more organized.
It's gonna look great. We have a lot of space. We were thinking also we want to go vertical, and it's not a huge area to work with, but we do have a lot of creative ways we can use this space. We want to be a lot more intentional this year with this area and actually have food production going through, crop rotations and stuff. So yeah, we're excited to get started, but we got to clean it up first.
Yep, we gotta do this. So that's what we're doing today out in the garden. So first things first is get these drip lines up and then move that small little trellis, and then just start hand pulling and weeding using the hula hoe so we can get to it.
Yeah, let's do this.
All right guys, here we are, and you can see not much left of those weeds. Of course, not much left of that path either, but the new plan doesn't call for keeping that path, and so we'll reestablish that later once we get beds in here and get some construction started.
Yeah, it's kind of like a blank slate a little bit. I mean, we've got the bones of the old garden kind of laid out, but we'll kind of follow those. But like Sean said, we're gonna add some beds and maybe some more vertical structures and just make this a lot more usable. So that's a wrap for today, you guys. You watched us get it all cleaned up, and that always feels good to kind of check that project off the list.
Yep, we're excited about the new beds we're going to put in here and all the things we're going to grow. So hopefully you've got some good projects, some fun projects on the horizon for yourselves. If so, let us know down below. We love hearing from you. Give us that thumbs up, let us know we're doing a good job, and subscribe to our channel so you get updates on our latest videos.
And we'll be back tomorrow with our Monday short, so look for that in the shorts section. It'll be a 60-second or less video. Have a great day, you guys.
Have a great day, everybody.
Bye, everybody.
Bye-bye.